Just a quick note for anybody considering fitting a Granite Stash tool to their TERN bike. This is a Vectron V10. They do fit. The standard, or the original Granite Stash fits. The RT, which is slightly longer and has a ratchet in it, that won't fit, I don't think. At least it might just, but there's issues with the top cap. So yeah, I mean, to fit it to mine, if you lower the handlebars, you can see that, but there's the stashes in there. So basically, I just took off the cap. This is the original TERN cap with its 6mm socket head bolt. So I took that off. In the instructions, they recommend taking out the nut with the sort of barbed washery thing on it that stops that holds this cap in. It's just drilling that out. I chose not to. I actually just hammered mine down, so the original barbed nut is now well down the steering tube, far enough down to allow the granite tool to fit in. So it's fitting in above the original nut, and then I used the original screw that was holding this top cap in. I used that to fasten the stash to the tube. So according to the instructions, I should have removed that original nut and replaced this in the bottom. But on the TERN, this is curved. Can you see that? So I say on the TERN, this is curved, and it's got a welded area around the tube. So this flat section doesn't fit very well. I mean, it would work, but I chose to leave it off, just give a meter end to the steering tube. So yeah, but that works. The other issue is that this cap and the tools come out like so, and will fit inside there very neatly. So there's the spoke tool and valve core tool stuck in the side that just pulls off, and then there's the granite various bits, flat bit, 6mm, 3mm, 4mm, down to 2.5mm, I think, plus a Torx 25. So all in all, quite a nice set of tools. I actually don't know what that one is for, but I'll have to read the manual. Anyway, so yeah, that's all good. That just folds back up and fits back into here and back into the bike. So quite a handy addition. So the only other issue is that the ears on this cap interfere with the folding mechanism and get pinched, but that doesn't seem to be a huge issue. It still locks okay, and you can still get the tools out. So that's all good. As I say, I think the RT longer version of the stash tool would fit just. I think that may not be quite long enough. I think another issue with the RT version of the stash is that the cap is different, and it wouldn't fit under here, under the folding mechanism. So yeah, I think this one is the one to get if indeed you want a hidden tool in your TERN bike. Anyway, so it is feasible to fit the Granite Stash tools to a TERN Vectron V10. Okay, thanks for watching.